In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay bills on Moniepoint app or using Moniepoint app. So basically, I'm on my Android device right here, and you can also have access to this page if you are using an iPhone. So all you just need to do is just log into your Moniepoint app, as you can see right here. So the next thing you're gonna do, you can see pay bills, make payments, top up, transfer, and some other stuff. So just click on pay bills. Then right here you can see the available bills that Moniepoint actually supports: electricity, cable TV, betting. Those are the ones that are actually available currently on Moniepoint. You can see 3 different categories. So if you want to pay for electricity, just click on electricity. Then all the electricity will be listed, so you can select the one you actually want to pay for. And if you just want to pay for a cable TV, just click on that. Then gonna list the available cable TV, DSTV, GoTV, and StarTime. So just click on the best one you want to do. Let's say GoTV for example. Then select the plan you want to do. So you can see different plans are literally available. So just select the one you want. Then down here you can see enter decoder number. Just select your decoder number. Then you can see amount. If you are subscribing for annual plan, you can see annual is already included, which is a year plan. And if you want to change that, let's say a month, so this is 1 month plan, which is ginger bucket. So you can see this costs 2,700 naira, and you can see right here you can see send to myself or send to others. So it depends on the one you actually want to use. So the receipt will be sent to another person if you want. So you can just input your decoder number right there. Then you can click on continue, and then the money will be deducted from your Moniepoint balance. And you can see right here, this is where you are actually buying from. So you can see my current balance is 0, which means I don't have any money in my Moniepoint account. And then if you want to pay for betting, for example, just click on betting. Then down here you can see all the available betting that Moniepoint support. So you can see 1xBet, NinjaBet, Live Score Bet, Bet King, Bet Land, Betway, Merrybet, Bet Lion, Cloudbet, Superbet, BankBet, NairaBet, and Bet Ninja. So those are the available ones that Moniepoint support. So just select the best one you want to use. Let's say 1xBet for example. Select the plan you want to do. Just say 1xBet. Then enter bet ID or login, maybe your number or something like that. Then scroll down to select how much you want to recharge to your 1xBet account. Then once you're done, just click on continue. Then you will be the money will be deducted from your Moniepoint account, and you will get credit to your 1xBet account. So that's how you can also do that.